as you can see, yung design ng bahay, they are very consistent of the design. As for example, the wall accent, yung mga LED lighting natin, yung mga marble look na mga ganitong design. And look at the chandelier right here. Ayan siya. Ang ganda, no? Bagay siya sa bahay. Okay, as you can see, we have a stairs right here. And this one is an attic. Mamaya na natin puntahan yan. Now, this is your master bedroom. So, pahaba yung shape niya, no? And then this one in front of me is you have your entertainment area or entertainment console. This could be your bed kasi meron siyang 2 outlet here. Tapos dito, again, maximize nila yung space dun sa stairs na ginawa nila. So, this one is your closet. Ayan, may LED din siya. Ayan. May ka pang cabinet. Actually, extra storage mo na lang din to. But for the girls na naghahanap ng walk-in closet and the master bedroom, I think magugustuhan nyo to. Okay, so we have a fluted panels here, but this one is actually a secret door going to your ensuite toilet and bath.